I'm Johnny Napier. I'm the adult education welding instructor at Polaris Career Center. We got a state-of-the-art welding shop. We have about 22 machines in there, and they're all brand new. Our program covers basically the 5 types of welding. SMAW, most people know it as stick welding. FCAW, which is flux core arc welding. We have GMAW, gas metal arc welding. We also cover gas tungsten arc welding, oxyacetylene, which is an old style, along with how to fabricate. A lot of companies, they may focus on just stick welding, or they focus on flux core arc welding. So it's kind of a unique situation to get them ready for any one of those positions on industry. What they can count on doing is they're an entry-level welder when they come out. And entry-level welding means they know the basics. They know a lot more than somebody just coming off the street. It's going to provide steady work. I've been associated with the welding trade for as long as I care to remember, but I've never been unemployed. And most times with a welder, you're not going to be unemployed. You're going to find a job somewhere. In a way, I feel like a kid again. New shop, new everything, and what it does is that excitement and level of excitement, I think, passes on to the students, and they're excited to be there. Right now, the welding industry is just growing by leaps and bounds, and what that's doing for our trade is keeping people employed longer. We have something pretty special going on at Polaris.